Good morning. Today's pre-market news. The World Bank has cut its global growth forecast, stating that the global economy will expand 2.2% in 2014 as against 2.4% forecast earlier this year. Concerns here are that central banks may pare monetary stimulus. Eurozone April industrial production has risen 0.04% month-on-month. The country's industrial production grew at 2% in April despite a low base of approximately 1.3% during last April. Consumer price-based inflation fell in May yet remained at elevated levels of 9.31% as against 9.39% in April. Another weak start lies in store. Things could always turn around given the number of measures being taken into consideration to boost the economy, arrest the slide of the rupee, and to an extent prevent flight of capital. The government has increased the investment limit of foreign portfolio investors in government bonds by $5 billion to $30 billion. Finance Ministry is likely to announce measures this morning to boost foreign inflow. In a breather for the Indian government, which has declared a war on containing the fiscal deficit to 4.8% in FY14, global ratings agency Fitch upgraded its outlook on the India for negative to stable, affirming a BBB rating on Wednesday. RBI intervention arrested the free fall of the rupee, which touched record lows recently. Indian rupee moved to rupees 57.79 against the dollar on Wednesday after touching historic lows of 58.98. The government has fixed the floor price for 9.33% stake sale in MMTC at rupees 60 per equity share. MMTC OFS will hit the market on Thursday, and the government expects to pocket around rupees 6 billion by offloading stake to meet SEBI minimum public shareholding norms. Apollo Tyres will acquire US-based tire manufacturer Cooper Tire and Rubber Company for rupees 145 billion. The deal is said to be India's biggest outbound acquisition by an auto company. Stock could see weakness though. Reports state that the Department of Telecommunication is considering lowering license fee levy from the current 8% of adjusted gross revenue in lieu of building more expensive but environment-friendly telecom towers. The Saffron Party's woes are far from over, even though Advani is back on board. Bihar Chief Minister and long-term ally Nitish Kumar is set to snap ties with BJP over Modi being elevated to lead the party's campaign committee in 2014 Lok Sabha elections. A final decision would be taken by JDU on June 15. Our recommendations and technical calls for the day. We recommend selling financial tech June futures below rupees 780 for the target price of rupees 750 with stop loss placed at rupees 795. Derivative strategy for the day. Long Cipla June future above rupees 382 for the target price of rupees 392 with stop loss placed at rupees 377. That's all for today. Thank you.